welcome to Living for the City. I'm Sharice, and welcome back. So, listen, this is gonna be a little bit different. I've been doing some different stuff lately, huh? Interesting. Anyway, today isn't our usual Living for the City kind of vlog. So we're gonna switch it up today, only because so many people have asked me about my subscription boxes. So it's interesting because I feel like every city girl, every woman, right? Not even if you live in the city, even if you live in the country, I feel like a lot of us today have these subscription boxes because, I mean, they're just kind of the more efficient and cost-effective way to still stay on trend and still get everything that you might not have access to because it may not be close to you, or you're not really sure what to get, what is good, what will work for you. So I actually personally have a couple of subscription boxes, but the two that we're going to talk about today are my Birchbox, and then we're going to also do my Tote. Now, I originally was just going to do my Birchbox with you and kind of do an unboxing on that, but I got my Tote subscription today. So because Tote is here, let's open it together, shall we? But anyway, so the great thing about Birchbox, now I've had a Birchbox. Here's my Birchbox. Thumbnail. So I've had my Birchbox. I've been getting this for, I'm gonna say about 4 or 5 years now. Long time ago. Somebody put me onto it, and ever since then I'm like, oh my God, I love it. So Birchbox is similar to, I'm gonna say Ipsy, in that you get really cool makeup products, beauty, so healthcare, skincare, I mean healthcare, skincare, think about work. Skincare products, so all types of beauty products, some wellness. I actually did get something that was kind of wellnessy. Hair care, a lot of hair care, perfumes. You get, I mean, you really get the whole gamut in Birchbox, and that is the thing that I love about it, because you get all of these things for so cheap. Another cute thing about Birchbox is that on your box, you will always have, they'll call you a cute little name. So this is the Fierce Sharice. And so I love my Birchbox. So let's open it together. So I just opened the outer box. This is how it'll come. I just opened the outer box, and so inside is the actual Birchbox. And so I'm taking it out, and so this is my box and how it came. It's really, really cute. And that's another cute thing about Birchbox, is you always get these pretty design boxes. When I first started getting Birchbox, the inner box looked like a regular old brown. It was a regular old brown box. But nowadays they come in these cute, and they actually will design them. So every month there is a new design. So this is really cute and pretty. And you can reuse them. A lot of people, I use them for makeup stuff. I put gifts in them. I put junk in them. I do a couple of things, and then they're just cute and stylish. You don't have to worry about anybody seeing them because they're really cute. So let's open it. I'm so excited. It'll always come with, oh, this is cute. It will always come with a little kind of note or card in here. So on the front, it reads, and this is kind of different. This is the beginning of the new Birchboxes. Oh man, here we go. Look, the new Birchbox experience, and it'll keep getting better. We'll bring you more choices, greater value, new brands, and fun surprises along the way. We want you to have the best of the best of the best. So like it, hate it, we want to know. And it actually gives me a phone number to call, which is pretty awesome. Now usually it'll say something like cool and inspiring. And then on the back, we'll always have a list of your products that you got in your box, along with a short description, along with the actual full size price. Because as you know, Birchbox is all sample sizes, okay? So it will always come with that, so that you'll have that. So I'm gonna open it up. And my table, I have a table in front of me, but apparently it's too low because you can't see. Oops, can't see what's here. Look at this. 15% off your next order. Yes, there's something in my cart right now. Awesome. A small thanks for being a subscriber. Treat yourself to $15 off your next 60 plus shop order. And it gives me a code. Speaking of codes, if you click the description box below, there's a link below, and I'm going to link for you a link so that you can subscribe to Birchbox. This is my April box, and it's already the end of April. Oops. All right, sorry. Okay, so I can't remember. So you get 3 options with Birchbox, and here's the inside of my box. Okay, so these are all of the items that I got for the month of April, and I'm gonna pull them out for you one by one, and then we'll talk about them. So you get the option to choose one of their like newly launched products. So they'll have a product that they're just launching, so you'll get to choose one of those, and it'll be like a few options. Then you can get it like a surprise box where you know nothing about what's coming to you, and they just surprise you. Then you can get a curated box. I usually go with the curated box because you can see what's coming, and I'm like, oh, cool. I mean, unless there's something that was really, really special in the box, I mean the items on the list that you can choose from, like they're newly released items. For the most part, I just do the curated box. So the first thing that we have on the card here is the Dr. Jart Plus. Focus, baby, focus. This cream is packed with ceramides, making it a powerful hydrator that boosts skin's moisture retention. Next, which I'm really excited about, is the Kiehl's. I love me some Kiehl's. Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. Ooh, cute. There you go. And this is Get Your Beauty Sleep with this facial serum. Ooh, nice. Made with lavender essential oil and an evening primrose oil. Ooh, to make your skin look fresh by morning. Midnight Recovery Concentrate. Love this. Next is Alterna's CAVIAR Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. This lightweight cream provides 10 benefits. 10 benefits. Let's get it. Moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, hold, manageability, strength, and protection from breakage, heat, and UV protection for your hair. Now this I might use. Luxurious. Next up, Benefit Cosmetics. I like Benefit too. A lot of people do. This is a mascara. And all I did was just take it out of the little boxes. And so it's a mascara. A little glare on that, sorry. Roller Lash Super Curling and Lifting Mascara. This mascara brush is made with tiny, soft hooks that instantly catch. Oh, nice. Look at that. You see that? See how it like, let me get out the way. Curls. Okay. Tiny soft hooks that instantly catch, curl, and separate each lash. Brand new. So here's one of these brand new things. So this is Tarte. It's brand new to Birchbox. Okay. Tarte. Let's see. Can you see that? Can you see that? This is TARTEIST Glossy Lip Paint. Oh, I can't. I'm not gonna put it right now. In Token. Saturated pinky nude shade. Glides on like glass. Ooh, yet has a color payoff of a lipstick. Right. Then finally by R & Company, this is Analog's Cleansing Foam Hair Conditioner. Get nourished and softer hair with this 2-in-1 foam that cleanses and hydrates hair without weighing it down. Now this I won't use, okay? This I won't use. So I will give this to someone. But I like how I got like an array of things. So as you can see, I got makeup, I got beauty, I got hair care. And so you get like a little bit of everything. They even do perfumes. I have a Birchbox, one of these little Birchboxes full of perfumes, because they'll even do that too. I like this box, and I'm gonna use 5 out of the 6 things, right? 4.5, because I don't know how often I'll use this, but I'll use it. I'll try it. I try different things. I really do. Although they have a lot of hair care products, they don't have a lot of things for women of color. So African American women hair. So if I ever had any feedback for them, oh my God, didn't they just say they want to know? Here's my opportunity. I'm gonna text them. How about that? So anyway, this is my cute little Birchbox, and I love it. I'm going to link below for you your link so that you can get your own Birchbox, which is really, really cheap. Then you can go on their site and you get a discount. So say I wanted to buy the full size of that. These are actually discounted prices. You can get a discount on them. And they have tons of sales all the time. So you'll definitely want to look into it. Okay, so that is it for Birchbox. Let's move on to our Tote. Okay, so we're gonna make this quick. Now their program works a little bit different now than what it used to. I'm on a legacy program. So I have unlimited boxes, so I can get as many boxes as I can get in a month. So this is how your box will come. I just opened up the box, and so inside is what I'm going to get. Hi, Cherise! Then the return thing with a label pre-printed on it already. And then your Monday to Sunday style solved. The tote. And with the tote, you get 5 pieces. You get 3 articles of clothing and then 2 accessories. And then your clothes will come in this cute little tissue paper with a little tote thingy on it. Your first box, you used to, and I don't know if they do this anymore. First box, you get a tote and a measuring tape, and they give you some really cool stuff. So let's look at my tote. So I got, oh, I remember this. So the great thing about Tote is they will style something for you and then you can switch out what you want. So you're like, nah, I don't really want that. So this is a cute little blouse that I got. One of these old school, I love these. So these are in there, like these little old school Argyle. This isn't Argyle. What's this called again? What's this print? Oh, actually, this isn't the print I thought it was. It's cute though. Yes, it is. These little things right here. See these little things right here? What is that called? I forgot what that's called. Anyway, cute little print, little blouse that you can either dress up for work, throw it on with some slacks, or you can throw on some distressed or some boyfriend jeans, tuck it in on one side and put a pump on. You know I love a pump. The second article of clothing I got is this dress. And this is just cute little work. Now I usually, just so you know, I use Tote for work. I do use it for play if I am going somewhere. So if I am going on vacation, then my box will be completely vacation wear, right? So I will use it for whatever's going on. But for my day-to-day, Tote is for work, okay? That's what I use it for. They have it, now they have every style. They have business, they have professional, they have business casual, they have going out, they have workout, athletic wear. So they have all those different categories, but I stick to the professional or the business casual for the most part. And then every now and then I'll get casual or going out, like if I'm doing something. This is the dress. Cute little dress. It's kind of big. It is probably to my knees, maybe a little past my knees. Cute little cinched waist here. But I like it. Oh, and you know what? This has that, okay, hold on, let me show you. I just noticed this. Look at the bottom. So it has it where it's like long on the sides. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Okay. Cute little print though. Like that. The other piece I got is a very casual piece. And the material is like cotton, so it's soft. So I just got this cute little shirt to wear with like a pair of jeans or something. You know, like a casual Friday. And then my 2 pieces of accessories. I got a pair of earrings and I got a necklace. So the earrings I'm gonna wear with that dress and this little little casual top. So aren't those cute? Cute little earrings. And then I got this cute little necklace, which is a statement piece. So this is pretty. Isn't that pretty? To go with that first blouse. That was cute. That's everything. So that's what you get. So you get your 3 articles of clothing. 1, 2, 3. And then you get your 2, oh, oops, upside down. Then you get your 2 accessories. And then once you are done with this, you return it. On to the next. Cute. So that is it. I'm going to link below for you my Tote code so that you can get a free tote. So I will give you, if you click on that link and sign up, you can get, you can sign up for just one free tote, and then you can see if you like it. You can see how the process works. You go on, you can put your sizes in, and then try at least one of the boxes out. Maybe try a couple boxes, and see if it works for you. If it doesn't, you can always cancel. No big deal. But I've been doing the tote probably as long as I've been doing Birchbox. So a really long time. I really started Le Tote when Le Tote first started. That's literally when I started. Like, they had like nothing in their inventory. I was like, y'all struggling. Talk to me below. Tell me if you have a subscription box, what your subscription box is. Because I would love to check yours out to see kind of, you know, the items that you're getting. I don't know if you have Birchbox, Le Tote, or Ipsy. There's so many boxes out nowadays. They even have like snack boxes, wine subscriptions. So tell me what kind of subscription you have. Birchbox has a men's Birchbox. So fellas, click the link below, because you too can have yourself a Birchbox. And they send some really nice, I got it from my brother for Christmas, I think 1 year, and he got like 3 to 6 boxes, and he loved it. He got some really cool stuff. So, but yeah, so let me know below if you have a subscription box. Let me know what you thought of this stuff today that I got from Birchbox and Le Tote, and we'll chat again soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, click that little red button for me below. You can follow me on Instagram, living_for_the_city. Like me on Facebook, Living for the City 77. And I think that's it, faves. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.